If you want your presentation to look like this without any design skill, you don't need any design experience to create a presentation like this. So think this presentation looks complicated. It's actually very easy to do it. Let's do. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Nushi. Want to create an animated presentation that looks professional and grabs everyone to attention? In this video, I show you exactly how to create the presentations. So let's start the video. Let's create a presentation. Alright, open your Google browser, click here canva.com, click it, click here. We came to Canva dashboard. So you can search a presentation. So you have to create a new presentation. So click it here, create a new presentation. Click here. Have blank page. You can create a new presentation. Here have so many presentations. So you can choose any presentations from here. A presentation is a great way to share your ideas, whatever school, works, business, personal project. Canva offers thousands of professional design presentation templates you can fully customize. You can change the text, colors, fonts, image and layout to match your style. You can also add animation and translations, icon charts and video to make your presentation more engaging. Once you are finished, you can present directly from Canvas or download it as a PowerPoint or PDF. So here have blank page. So select the template that match your topic. You can also start blank presentation if you want to complete creative control. Canva is a free online design platform that make it easy to create a presentation, social media poster and more. You can choose here. So I'm going to select education presentations. Today I'm going to create a education presentation. So I'll show you. Scroll down and see I have many education presentations, projects, everything. So I will select this. So today I'm going to make 5 pages. So click here, add here to page, adding. You can choose here any page, 2 pages or 3 pages. So today I'm going to create a 5 pages. So first page I have to change this everything. You can delete this and you can text it. So I'm going to delete it. I will paste here my text and I arrange the size. You can arrange the size, any size. Alright. Here you can keep anywhere. I'll keep this filter from here. I have to edit. You can adjust anything from here. Or you can delete it. So select it and change the font. So you can choose here have font. You can choose any font here. Okay, I have choose and you can change the colors also. Yeah, I have changed it. So I'll keep this star side. You can change everything. You can delete these filters also. So I'm going to delete this one. I will delete this. And alright, keep here. This filter, I will copy this filter, duplicate it and copy it and paste it. And you can change the color also. Click it and change any color. Click this color. I have changed the filter colors also. And you can duplicate the stars and you can change the color. Alright. Filter also, you can choose any filter. You can click here to edit, and here have many filters you can choose here. So you can choose this image, click this image and click it and go to edit, and here have, you can see here filters. You can choose any filter. Color is good, so you can change the color also. So this filter, I think I will delete. So here I have changed everything. So you can change or you can keep here, or you can delete everything. So you can delete this image also. So I have arranged everything and select all and animate it. Click to animate. You can choose any animate. Yes, I have chosen. Alright, I'll jump to second page. So you can click here to change everything, and this filter also you can change the circle. You can choose any circle. You can change the colors also. So I'm going to delete this circle. I have deleted the circle, and I'm going to change this text. I delete the text. So I change the text fonts. Choose any font. Alright, choose the color also. Select the colors. Okay, this text all, you can delete all text and you can write your own text, or you can keep it. Alright, I have changed the text what you will learn. So you can select this all and change the font. You can change any font, and you can change the colors also. Choose any color you wish. So I'm going to choose black color. So I have changed it. So this filter also you can change or you can delete it. You can change the color. Okay, I have changed. And this image pick also, keep side and to arrange this everything. Click it. You can arrange this. So like this you can arrange it. Alright, so I'm going to select any design. I'm going to search books, images, click the photo and choose any books. Click it, arrange the size, keep this book here. So I have arranged everything. So you can keep this text middle or this side anywhere, and this image also you can change it. These filters you can change everything, and color also. So I have complete this. So select it everything and click to animate. Click any animate. Okay, I'll jump to next page, third page. Click it. Alright, okay, you can change any filter. You can change it, or you can change the colors also. So click here to change the color. Yeah, I have changed. This filter also you can change it. So this text I'll delete it. Alright, I'm going to click here text. I'll change this font. You can change the font also, and color also you can change. And you can click here and change the font and color. Everything, and you can rotate it. So you can change the all text and you can add any text here, and click here to change the filters. You can change the colors, everything. Filter color, you can change it, or you can delete the filters also. Alright, here fourth page. So you can change everything and you can delete it also. You can choose any filters. So I'm going to delete this all. And this ball also I'll keep here. I'm going to search any filter. I'm going to keep here whiteboard. Search here whiteboard. Whiteboard or blackboard. Here have many whiteboards. Here have so many whiteboards and blackboards. So I'm going to choose this blackboard. You can rotate this. You can keep here. Alright. And you can add any text here. Any heading. You can add any text. And you can change the color and keep here and rotate it. Keep middle. And this global language, I'm going to change this text. I'll delete this text. Alright, I'm going to change this text, and I'm going to add my text. I'm going to delete it. Alright, I have added my text. So I'm going to change the fonts and the color. I'm going to change the color also. So I have changed the color. This filter I'll keep here. I'll delete these filters. So I'm going to arrange here the international language. So this text also you can delete and you can add your text, your own text. Right, and the color. Bold it. Alright, you can keep here or you can keep anywhere from here. So this filter also you can change everything. So I'm going to delete these filters. So I'm going to add here any pencils. Click photo. Choose any pencils and click here to sizes. Alright. These filters also you can change it. Okay, I have arranged everything. So I'm going to select this and click to animate. So choose any animates. Alright, I have choose this animate. So I'm going to jump last page, fifth page. Choose any animates. I have choose this animate and I'm going to jump to fifth page, last page. Alright. So this text I'm going to change the filter. These filters also you can change it and you can change this everything. Edit, you can change the color. Alright, I have changed the color. And these filters also you can change it. So I'm going to add text. Thank you. I'm going to change this font also. I'm going to change this color. Let's change the size also. Okay, select all and click to animate. Alright, I have finished 5 pages. Okay, so let's go to first page. So you can add any notes to help guide your presentation without showing them to your audience. So invite a teammate to edit your presentation in real time. So making a collaboration quick and easily. So now you know how to create a professional presentation in Canva. Explore a different template and features to make your presentation even more impressive. Present to full screen and see preview. Let's see. Alright, let's download these presentations. Click here to share and click here to download. Click it. So you can download PDF. So click here to download it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new. If you enjoy this video, please share and subscribe and turn on notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.